Hello guys, hope you are all well and you are ready to learn something new today. So without wasting your time, let's get started with the topic today. So today we'll be discussing around a new theme, that is Boost Magnific. Okay, so this is a theme that is built around the Moodle Boost. So here on my this instance, I am going to install this plugin first. So I am going to download. So it is not going to take much time. It's around 7.8 MB, sorry, 3.7 MB, and it's downloaded. Now I am going to install on my instance. So plugins, install plugins. So here it is. So let's come across some definition, some what information they have provided. So the Boost Magnific is an innovative theme for Moodle, providing a clean and streamlined interface with easily accessible configuration buttons for administrator, and the theme offer a more intuitive online learning experience. Okay, here you can see some buttons design they have made. So edit block will be like this, and if you check some other screens, so available courses will be like this, and the login page you can see like this, and this is my courses, and this is home block setting. Okay, so let's start with installing. First install plugin, click on continue. Now so it my server met all the requirements, so click on continue. Upgrade Moodle database now, so continue again. Yes, so new setting Boost Magnific, say so his theme you want to go with. So let it be by default whatever is coming in default mode. So I will be moving ahead with the default one. So click on the save changes. So currently I have a different theme enabled, that is Boost Union theme is the my current active one, you can see here. And now I am going to enable this theme. Okay, so under appearances you will find the theme here, themes. So here the current one you can see the Boost Union, and Boost is a Moodle default one. So this is the thing I just installed. So select this theme. Okay, so the moment I select that, you can see the look and feel has been changed. Okay, you can see the different button design, you can see search is coming above, you can see here the general users course theme like this. So under appearances I can see here the themes. So Magnific is a current one. So from here I am going to make some configurable. So I don't want this the first one, I want like this. Okay, so blue theme one I am going to use. Okay, so colored logo, yes, I will have to update. Okay, so I can update the logo later. Scroll color, let's make it a slight blue. Text color of menu, that is this one, that is white. Top menu logo on a scroll, so post scroll how the logo will look like, so this is. So text color of menu on a scroll, so this one is. Okay, so environment color selection blue. So let's try with this setting, whatever is coming. So download. Okay, so this is fab icon. So I am going to use the same thing as a colored logo here. Okay, so there are top menu logo on a scroll. So the same thing, I am going to pick that one. Okay, so that's it from the setting, and I am going to click on the save changes. Yep. So if I log out from here, I can see this is my login page. Login. And now the look of courses you can see has been changed completely. So available courses, you can see it is appearing like this. It looks more intuitive than the previous one. Yes, of course. So access this course. If I click on this, I can see inside. I am inside the courses, and now I can see the setting like this. It's look quite better than the previous one, but course index, not sure about why this text is coming like this. Okay, so participants, grades, reports, more. So these are the thing that is coming. Okay, so let me try updating a login page if there are option here. So if I come under themes, so again edit theme. So the fonts and CSS I can pick from here. Okay, so let me try picking this one, Interlight, and let's see. So this is a Google font, and it will look like this. And the name was Epilogue. So let me try here, Epilogue, side text font. Let's make it open sans. So yeah, let's. So I think the change is enough. Yes. So it's look better than the previous one. Some settings were not changed due to error. Not sure what error is coming, but yeah, let's see. Yeah, again the themes. So boost Magnific. So font and CSS icon, you can see the number of icons. So these are the icons you can see here. So it has options to max 19. In case you want to add more icon, you'll have this. And there is a top menu option here. Custom top menu item you can add. Okay. Home block, moodle block, page to be created with editor, slideshow, no slideshow on the home page, my course blog. Okay, so these are the setting we can play around about your Moodle footer block. Okay, so login screen, this is the setting. Create white with optional background, center white block, login screen only, no side image, login screen but no side image with form and white background. So these are the option you can pick. So background image and login on the side. Let me try this. Yes. So now I am going to open this in a different incognito mode. Yes, it looks better. So this is a logo is coming here. So login to LMS, it say, and your username, your credential will go here. If this your first time here, then you can create. So the language selector is coming like this. Okay, so if you log in, you will come here. So if you go inside a course, you can go like this. Under edits, participant will look like this. So grades. Okay, so now how you can hide the home. So let me try doing, because I don't want this home. Force user to log in. Yeah, that is the option. Start page for user. I don't want home, I want dashboard. Show site home activity in the navigation. That is fine. Course content for home page, Moodle default. Hide notes in the primary navigation. Yes, I want to hide this home. Let me try save changes. Yes, still home is not hiding from here. Hide node in primary navigation. Yeah, so this is the setting of boost union. Hide. So right-handed block dryer. This theme boost union. This is a setting for theme boost union. Site home page setting. Okay, so you can't hide home from this theme. Now come under appearances, then setting overview. Advanced theme setting. Let me see here if you can hide home. No. So there is no hiding options from here. So that theme, the boost union had option to hide any or either of these elements from the primary menu, but this theme has no option. But this theme you can see looks pretty good, but it's still some design looks like not good. Like here you can't see much well designed. If I click on participant, I can see like this. If you go to reports, then course participants report, you can see like this. If you go to log, you will be able to view like this. Okay, so color, look and feel you can change at your end, because that is the part of setting. If I enable the edit mode, it will look like this. Okay, so course design box should looks better than the previous one. So that's all from this video. Please try this at your end and let me know in case you have any doubt, and in case you want to share something, you can also comment me out on this video. Thank you and have a great day ahead.